It's just because we're in Canada, so I'm like,
Yeah.
oh.
Yo， 大家好，歡迎到我 vlog。In 呢個片，我紐西蘭啲親戚嚟到啊，好感恩佢哋嚟到啊探我哋。今次我帶佢哋去睇瀑布。嗰日我哋揸車去嗰度，from 我哋屋企去瀑布，差唔多係1個鐘頭同7個字揸車去嗰度。我哋去到度第一件事係散下步、影下相。我哋平時係夏天去瀑布，好少冬天去。呢個有唔同瀑布搬上區。右手邊係俾錢買飛，佢哋有唔同價錢啊！呢個相有2個唔同地方可以去，不過呢個選擇係貴啲啊！你買到飛之後，嗰度係入口啊！
Funniest videos, one of the funniest online like.
中文啊，你得唔得講啊？
中文好咋，我可以識聽，唔識講，識講少少。
Because to me, it's just
It's just
gravy and
That's
bread.
okay.
It's just because we're in Canada, so I'm like, oh.
我哋返屋企之前，我哋去沙灘。